Masarap siya.
Sinong gusto?
Kasi I was nagdadalawang step. So yeah. You never know. So I tried.
There's a
It's masarap.
Ay, bawal pala siyang asukal.
Kasi like sweet.
Ay!
Ako na lang. Ako na lang.
Yeah, ginawa ko para sa'yo.
It's all perfect timing. Ang kasama mo dati sa No, James Reid. As in James Reid? Oh, then James Reid. James Reid. So cute. Kasi kasama rin kapatid ko yan, ha?
Uy, ikaw naman.
Pinapunta ba ako?
Oh. Anak ka, natanggalay mo stage. Anak ka, natanggalay mo stage.
It's a risk because it can go horribly wrong.
You should take risks.
Like imagine, like for me, I have 10 days I can do school, and then I so imagine if
So now you're
I got
gonna
kicked out right after that. I
So
would
you're not gonna get hurt. You just like in your home. In your home, you just like this.
and I'll just be like now. It's like,
Mapayote may
So you have to fight.
I'll probably
O, tara na, let's go na ulit.
Ay, wala dito si Ate Vivory.
let's try again.
Asan si Fight? Si Fight.
Ate Vivory!
Asan si Fight?
Sup?
Ate Vivory!
Always.
Bumanto si Ate Vivory. Bumanto si Ate Vivory.
Si Vipery.
Guys,
Si
bumanto
Philip
siya.
rin.
Si Benich.
Why?
I'll go back to the friend. Okay?
So there has to be no gaps.
Sige,
Finish na po sa si Vipery. Wait natin.
Okay?
Kasi kailangan, there has to be no gaps. Can you be the
Okay ka
one
lang?
mag-get?
Okay ka lang?
Sagot mo na. Let's enter na. Kasi kailangan mag-alis naman. There has to be 3 people in there.
Mine.
Empanadas.
Mine.
Ay, dapat pag nag-ano tayo, tinatakpan mo yung sugas.
Saan si Fenech?
Chill lang.
Ganito.
Ang sarap ng
Kailangan make
empanadas.
sure natin
Sa umaga pagkatapos may milk.
pasok, nagsasayaw. Pag alis,
Empanada lang, sarap.
Oy, I make you, if I say you that I'm the stronger man in the world, you believe me? No. Di ba imposible
Alam ko yan.
ano?
Like you and Edward's gonna carry me. I saw that, diba, kay Ate Mayman. So dumb.
Ikaw kasi panira, hindi mo na ako
Did
pinagbigyan.
you see
Alam mo
how we
na.
bet for the chicken longanisa? Did you see what we did?
A while ago? Yeah, fine. You can't fool me. So now I've learned. Then you can't fool me.
Food by love. Already okay. I think I'm
Should be me.
Holding your hand.
That should be me.
Alam mo ganun eh. This is so wrong.
No, meron laugh, yung parang laugh. Pampatawa daw. That should be me. Meron kaya?
That should be me.
Meron kaya?
I need to know
That should be me. That should be
Uy, ang
me.
tagal naman nila.
Laugh. Laugh. Nay.
Making you laugh. This is so wrong. I can't go on.
Okay,
till you
ito lang.
believe.
That should,
should be. Tamang-tama yung sa'yo. Tamang-tama.
that should be me.
Making you laugh.
Making you
Sa
laugh.
full boom, yeah!
That should be me.
Wait,
Basta. Sa Peppa Pig ka, no?
Asa na? Where are they? Ayun na. Let's start na.
That should be me. Holding your hand.
Game
That
na.
should be me. Making you laugh. should get up.
Let's go. Let's go. Go.
Alam na agad.
Yeah.
Ako lang nga nagagawa ng kalokohan na to eh.
My, I'm not sure what you mean. On the box?
Ay, let's practice in a little para pag nandoon,
Okay na yan.
Let's go.
wait,
Yung sinabi ko, guys, number 1 rule, walang dapat, pag may lumas, may tao na sumasayaw agad.
we need one.
If someone goes out, someone goes in. There has to be no, if no one dances, we will be violated. The constant thing is 3 people are dancing in here. Yeah, okay na sila.
Okay.
Wait!
Heaven, 1, 2.
Puti na, Day. Wala po. Doon pa lang. Puti na, Day. Wala po. Doon pa lang. Then if you're in your respective area, then I said, what? Tayo forward and backward.
Sa amin, doon pa talikod. Para hindi magkakalitan ng baka. Look, ating pansin.
Okay.
I joke lang again.
Wait. Make it clear lang kami.
Okay, okay.
Paano nga, di ba, ganyan. Yan, just got lucky. Ta-na-na, just got lucky. Ta-na-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. 1,
1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8, 7, 6, 5,
4,
4,
3, 2, kasi yun pa rin naman.
Yung sa atin, ano ha?
Tapos, out! 1, kita, pala, 2, 7, tsak! Tapos, kayo na pa to.
Ganun na lang.
4, 3,
1,
2, 1.
ganun na lang. 1, 2. Dalawa na lang.
Ano na? Inak mo.
Hindi, wait lang. May suggestion ako sa ballroom. I think yung dalawang boys, yung sa ganun-ganun ba yung parte, yung kanina, I think sa harap si Penex, then dalawa kayo sa likod.
Yeah, I don't think we should change anymore. Otherwise, it'll just mess up the game.
Or pwede rin ganun, or dalawa yung boys sa likod, or dalawa yung boys sa yung kanina, basta ganun. Adjust na kasi si yung pati si Penex, magkatabi-tabi sa inyo sa harap. Tingnan nyo na naka-adjust na kayo, ha? Okay.
Tignan mo, nakikita mo ba? Nagkakasabay naman tayo sa taas.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
Tapos pa naman niya.
tapos 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I don't lie.
Gutter.